Good morning, children. Welcome to Social Science class. Children, today we are going to learn a new lesson, Child Safety. The name of the lesson is Child Safety. Children, before I could start the lesson, I am going to ask you few questions. Okay? First, what should we wear when we ride a bike? Yes, we should wear helmet when we ride a bike. And what should we wear when we travel in a boat? Yes, we should wear life jacket. And when we travel in a car also, we should wear seat belt because this is the safest way of traveling to avoid accident. So, what is mean by safety, children? Yes, safety means to protect ourselves from danger. And what should we do in case of any fire accident? Yes, we should call fire engine. To call fire engine, we have to dial 101. Likewise, for children also, there is a helpline number. Do you know the child line number, children? Yes. Child line number is 1098. Children, by learning this lesson, you will be able to describe the importance of child line and you will be able to understand child safety and you will be able to distinguish between safe touch and unsafe touch. Now, let's learn about child line. Childline number is the helpline number for children under the age of 18. It helps children who are in need of help and care. And Childline Service was first established as a project in the year 1996. Later between 1998 to 1999, Childline was established all across India under the Ministry of Women and Child Development. This child line helps children who are work as laborers, children who are abandoned by their parents, and it helps children who are differently abled, and also it helps children who are live in streets. In May 2013, Childline in Ahmedabad rescued around 16 children who were working in various parts of the city. And child labor is an offense in India. Now, let's see about ICDS. The full form of ICDS is Integrated Child Development Services. Integrated Child Development Services. It is a centrally sponsored scheme of Government of India. It's for early childhood care and development. And NCLPS is also there, which means the National Child Labour Projects. It has been set up to rehabilitate child labour. The children identified by the NCLP are to be withdrawn from the dangerous occupations and put it in special schools. So, child line number is 1098. One can call on this number and ask for help or inform if they find children who need help. And there are many laws to protect children. Now, let's see what are they. We have helplines and laws to support and protect children. But it is very important to teach children of how to be safe and aware of what's happening around them. Children, now I am going to teach you about safe touch and unsafe touch. Safe touch means hugs from family or high fives with your friends are all safe touch. and it is unsafe when someone touches your chest, between your legs or lips, or ask you to touch theirs. If you are not feeling well and go for a checkup to a doctor, the doctor may touch these parts while they are doing a checkup, and either your father and your mother are in the same room. If someone touches you unsafely, they might scare you to keep it as a secret. They might get you gifts that you don't tell anyone. But remember, children, you must always inform your father or your mother about it. The Indian Penal Code 1860 punishes people who involve in child trafficking. And there is also the Prohibition of Child Marriage Act that prevents child marriages. The Ministry of Women and Child Development has placed the draft National Policy on Child Protection. It aims at providing a safe environment for all children. So children, if you are ever touched on any of these parts of your body by someone you know or someone in the family, then you must inform your teacher or another family member. So this is our duty and also your parents' duty to talk to you about this, because it will help you be safe and happy. Children, in page number 139, you have an activity. Which is the safest way of traveling? Put tick or wrong in the boxes. Here they have given some pictures and also you have some boxes. So you have to see these pictures, and if it is correct, you have to put tick mark. If it is not correct, you have to put wrong mark, int mark. Okay? First, see this picture, children. In this picture, they are traveling in a car without wearing a seat belt. And here, they are wearing a seat belt. So, which is the safest way of traveling here? Yes, this is. So, in this box, you have to put tick mark. And in this box, you have to put int mark, wrong. And second picture. See these pictures. In this picture here, this boy is wearing a life jacket while traveling in a boat. And here they are traveling in a boat without wearing a life jacket. So, which is the safest way of traveling here? Yes, this is the safest way of traveling. When we travel in a boat, we have to wear life jacket. So, you have to tick here and you have to put wrong mark here. And here they are riding a bicycle. And in this picture also they are riding a bicycle. And they are not wearing the helmet. Here they are wearing the helmet. So which is the safest way of traveling, children? Yes, while riding a bicycle also we have to wear helmet. So this is the safest way of traveling. So you have to put tick here and you have to put wrong here. Will you do it, children, in your textbook? Yes. Children, in page number 141 also we have an activity. Which is safe touch or unsafe touch? So, we have to look at these pictures and write it in the dash whether it is safe touch or unsafe touch. First one, in this picture we can see a boy and a girl. Here this boy is hugging her sister and she is also doing the same. So this is safe touch. So we have to write safe touch here. And in this picture, an unknown person is holding her hand. Is this safe touch, children? No, it is unsafe touch. So here you have to write unsafe touch. Children, let's learn the glossary of this lesson. First one, labor. Labor means heavy physical work. Heavy physical work. Next one, prohibition. In this word, H is silent. So we have to pronounce this word prohibition, which means refusal to approve. Refusal to approve. Next one, rescue, which means save from danger. Save from danger. First one, labor, heavy physical work. H-E-A-V-Y, heavy. Physical, P-H-Y-S-I-C-A-L, physical. Work, W-O-R-K, work. Heavy physical work. Next, prohibition, refusal to approve. R-E-F-U-S-A-L, refusal to, T-O, to. Approve, A-P-P-R-O-V-E, approve. Refusal to approve. And third one, rescue, which means save from danger. S-A-V-E, save. From, F-R-O-M, from. Danger, D-A-N-G-E-R, danger. Save from danger. Labor, heavy physical work. Prohibition, refusal to approve. Rescue, save from danger. First Roman, choose the correct answer. Question number 1. What is the child line number? What is the child line number? The options are A 1099, B 1098 and C 1089. Which is the correct answer, children? What is the child line number? Yes, the child line number is 1098. And question number 2. Child line helps children under the age of dash. Child line helps children under the age of dash. The options are A 20, B 19 and C 18. Which is the correct answer, children? Yes, the correct answer is option C 18. So, child line helps children under the age of 18. And question number 3. Child line helps children who dash. Child line helps children who dash. The options are workers, laborers, B needs help with homework and C both A and B. Which is the correct answer, children? Yes, the answer is option A, workers, laborers. Child line helps children who work as laborers. Question number 4. A doctor touching a child's private part of the body while checkup, while the child's father or mother is in the same room is dash touch. A doctor touching a child's private part of the body while checkup, while the child's father or mother is in the same room is dash touch. A. Unsafe, B. Safe, and C. None of the above. Which is the correct answer, children? Yes, it is a safe touch. A doctor touching a child's private part of the body while checkup, while the child's father or mother is in the same room is safe touch. And question number 5. If someone gives you an unsafe touch, what will you do? If someone gives you an unsafe touch, what will you do? The options are A. Inform parents, B. Keep it as a secret, and C. Both A and B. Which is the correct answer, children? Yes, the answer is option A. Inform parents. Someone gives you an unsafe touch, you have to inform your parents. Next, second Roman. Write true or false. Question number 1. Child labor is not an offense. Child labor is not an offense. It is false, because child labor is an offense in India. So, it is a false. And second one, if someone is asking to touch the private parts of their body, it is unsafe touch. If someone is asking to touch the private parts of their body, it is unsafe touch. Yes, true. And third one, if someone gives us an unsafe touch, we must tell our parents or teacher. If someone gives us an unsafe touch, we must tell our parents or teacher. Yes, we should tell our parents or teacher. It is true. Next, question number 4. Indian Penal Code 1820 punishes people involved in child trafficking. Indian Penal Code 1820 punishes people involved in child trafficking. It is false, because Indian Penal Code is 1860, but here they have given 1820. So, it is a false. And 5. The child line helps children who work as laborers. The child line helps children who work as laborers. It is true. Answer the following. Question number 1. Write a short note on child line. Write a short note on child line. The answer is child line number is a helpline number for children under the age of 18. It helps children who are need of help and care. Child line, CHILD, child, line, 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 Childline. Number. 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 Is a helpline. 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 Number. 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 For. For. Children. 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 Under. 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 The. The. Age. 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 Of. Of. 18. EIGHTEEN. 18. Childline number is a helpline number for children under the age of 18. It helps. It helps. 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 Children. 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 Who. WHO. Are. ARE. Need of. NEED. Need. of. Help. 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 And. And. Care. 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 It helps children who are in need of help and care. Question number 2. When was Childline established? Which ministry does it fall under? When was Childline established? Which ministry does it fall under? The answer is Childline Services was first established as a project in the year 1996. It was established all across India under the Ministry of Women and Child Development. Childline. CHILD. Child. Line. 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 Childline Services. SERVICES. Services was. 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 First. 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 Established. ESTABLISHED. Established as a project. PROJECT. Project in the year year 1996. It was 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 established. 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 All. All. Across. ACROSS. Across India. 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 Under the. UNDER. Under. THE. The. Ministry. 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 of. Women. 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 And. and. Child. 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 Development. 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 Childline Services was first established as a project in the year 1996. It was established all across India under the Ministry of Women and Child Development. Question number 3. What is safe touch? What is safe touch? The answer is hugs from family or high fives with friends are all safe touch. Hugs from family or high fives with friends are all safe touch. HUGS, hugs. From, FROM, from. Family, FAMILY, family. Or high fives, HIGH, high fives. FIVES, fives. With, WITH, with. Friends, FRIENDS, friends. Or, ARE, all, ALL, all. Safe, SAFE, safe. Touch, TOUCH, touch. Hugs from family or high fives with friends are all safe touch. Question number 4. What is unsafe touch? What is unsafe touch? The answer is if someone touches chest, between your legs or lips of your body is unsafe touch. If someone touches chest, between your legs or lips of your body is unsafe touch. If someone, SOME, some, one, 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 someone touches, TOUCHES, touches. Chest, CHEST, chest. Between, BETWEEN, between. Your, YOUR, your. Legs, LEGS, legs. Or, lips, LIPS, lips. Of, your, YOUR, your. Body, BODY, body. Is unsafe, UNSAFE, unsafe. Touch, TOUCH, touch. If someone touches chest, between your legs or lips of your body is unsafe touch. Question number 5. What should you do if someone touches you unsafely? What should you do if someone touches you unsafely? The answer is if someone touches me unsafely, I will inform my parents or teachers or any of my family members. If someone, SOME, some, one, 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 someone touches, TOUCHES, touches me, me, unsafely, unsafely, SAFELY, safely, unsafely. I will, will, inform, inform, FORM, form, Inform, my, M-Y, my. Parents, P-A-R-E-N-T-S, parents. Or teachers, T-E-A-C-H-E-R-S, teachers. Or any, A-N-Y, any. Of, O-F, of. My, M-I, my. Family, F-A-M-I-L-Y, family members. M-E-M-B-E-R-S, members. If someone touches me unsafely, I will inform my parents or teachers or any of my family members.